Welcome to this video tutorial. Here we're going to see how you can bypass Samsung J7 Prime. There's SM G610f or G710. So this is UMT software. You can even use it on the flash Samsung J7 Prime or any other Samsung. So click on tools, then check models, and then check FRP bypass. If you click here, there's other model which you can use this software and do. There are many of them. You can select J7 or G610f from there. But even if you don't do that, because we're using ADP, our phone must be bypassed. So please watch the video, follow the instruction, because there's things you're going to do on the phone to enable the FRP bypass to be successful. So this is the phone. Make sure you install the driver and connect it to the system. So you type *#0#. So *#0*#, and it's going to take you to this screen. Wait and follow the screen instruction. Don't do anything for now. Just wait. *#0*#. So good. I've clicked on bypass and you see the information is given. So it's checking in the device, and you now check if the device is in ADP mode. So this is it, and this is what it asks us to do. Now look at our device. Say allow USB debug, allow USB debugging. So once you do that, the ADP will be enabled. I shown OK, so click OK here. Click OK. I'm searching for device found, and it's done. Just like that. But make sure you follow the instruction. If you don't understand it, go back and watch the video again, because you must follow the instruction. So let's activate our phone, and you can see allow access to phone data. We'll say allow. Let's check the phone information and see the version of the operating system. You tap on about, because I believe whether version 9, 10, 8 or 7, 6 can be fixed this way, can bypass the FRP this way. So this is 8.1.0 and the experience version is 9.5. So that is just how you can bypass FRP on Samsung J7 Prime. within some seconds or some minutes. If you don't understand what I did, you can ask question, but it's simple. You tap star hash 0 star then hash, and the code will take the phone to ADP mode, where you will see USB debugging. Then you enable that, you click OK, and the software will finish the work. So that's how this is done. I'm waiting some minutes, I'm waiting some second. You are good to go. Well, thank you. As we continue with other videos, thank you and remain blessed.